Artificial intelligence is transforming the world. From healthcare to finance, from factories to classrooms, every industry is asking one question: can AI replace humans? But today, we ask something deeper. Can AI replace the farmer? Can algorithms understand soil? Can data feel the monsoon? Can machines carry generations of agricultural wisdom? Or is AI simply a tool in the hands of the farmer? Let's explore. Robot. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that analyzes massive amounts of data, detects patterns, and makes predictions. In agriculture, AI is used for crop health monitoring, weather forecasting, yield prediction, disease detection, smart irrigation systems. According to India AI, a Government of India initiative, AI-powered tools are increasingly being explored to improve agricultural productivity and sustainability. But here's something important. AI does not think. It calculates. It does not understand. It processes data. And agriculture is not just data. What is agriculture really? Agriculture is thousands of years old. It is not only science. It is tradition. It is culture. It is instinct. A farmer does not just follow numbers. He reads the sky, he feels the soil, he notices the wind, he senses the moisture. These decisions are not downloaded from a server. They are inherited, from father to son, from mother to daughter, from one generation to the next. That is experience, and experience cannot be easily programmed. Satellite dish where AI helps. Now let's be clear, AI is not the enemy. It is a powerful assistant. Today, AI can detect crop diseases early using image recognition, analyze satellite data to monitor crop health, suggest irrigation schedules based on soil moisture levels, predict yield trends using historical data. Research published on Science Direct shows that AI-based systems can improve resource efficiency and reduce input costs when properly implemented. AI reduces guesswork. AI improves precision. AI saves time. But it still does not replace the farmer. AI versus human decision. AI can suggest when to irrigate, when to spray, when to harvest. But who decides? The farmer. Because real farming decisions depend on unexpected rainfall, sudden pest outbreaks, market price fluctuations, local traditions and cropping patterns. AI works on patterns. But farming often breaks patterns. A farmer adapts instantly. AI needs new data to update. AI gives information. Humans make decisions. That is the difference. Challenges of AI in agriculture. Now let's talk reality. AI adoption in agriculture faces serious challenges. High equipment costs, limited rural internet connectivity, digital literacy gaps, data accuracy issues. Policy analyses and reports from institutions like Drishti IAS highlight that infrastructure and affordability remain major barriers in rural India. Technology may exist, but access is not equal, especially for small and marginal farmers. Government initiatives. Governments are exploring AI integration. Reports from sources like the Times of India mention state-level investments to promote AI-based farming tools. The Government of India's digital agriculture initiatives aim to create technology-enabled farmer services. But policy takes time, infrastructure takes time, skill development takes time. Agriculture cannot be transformed overnight by software. The future of farming. So what is the future? Will farms become fully automated? Maybe, but not tomorrow, not next year. It may take decades to build systems capable of handling India's diverse soils, climates, and small landholdings. The future of agriculture is not AI instead of farmers. It is AI with farmers. Technology guided by human wisdom. Data supported by experience. Innovation rooted in tradition. Conclusion. AI is smart, but the farmer is wise. AI calculates. The farmer understands. AI predicts. The farmer decides. Artificial intelligence will continue to grow. But agriculture is not only about efficiency. It is about responsibility. It is about food security. It is about humanity. In the future of farming, AI will be a tool, but the human being will remain the decision maker. Because soil does not respond to code alone. It responds to care, and care is human. The future of agriculture is not man versus machine. It is man with machine. And the farmer will always stand at the center.